When I made my motorcycle controller, I want to start the engine via Android app, but I don't know which Mosfet I have to use. How can I solve this? Let's find out. So, I opened the wiring diagram of my motorcycle, and I got this. This is the key switch. If the key is turned on, current from the battery will flow and distribute to many other devices. One of the devices is the starter relay. Starter relay will work once the starter switch is touched down. Then the current flows from the relay to the ground. So, this starter switch is located at low side or after the control device. This relay or control device works on normally open circuit. Therefore, I have to use Mosfet N-Channel Enhancement mode. For more detail about on how to choose and use Mosfet, you can see on my previous video, and the link is available on the description below. This starter switch is connected to the fuse 10 amps. So, starter relay on trigger side must be less than 10 amps. Of course, far away from 10 amps. So Mosfet IRFU220B must be safe for this task. It has rating current of 18 amps for pulse operation. Remember that starter switch works on pulse operation, not continuous. This Mosfet also has voltage rating VDSS of 200 volts, while my operating system is only 12 volts. On the datasheet, I got VGS is 2 up to 4 volts. VGS is gate voltage minus source voltage. Less than 2 volts, Mosfet is off. More than 4 volts, Mosfet is on. Now let's start with simulation. I use online simulator from www.faststart.com. I don't know who is the owner of this website, but I would like to say thank you very much for their kind web. Here, I only add a pull-down resistor. I use 1 mega ohm of resistor because I have so many stock of it. You may change this value. The current flows from voltage source to the drain pin, then to source pin. Reverse from P-channel Mosfet. When trigger off or 0 volt, VGS is 0 volt. Gate voltage is 0 volt and source voltage is also 0 volt. 0 minus 0 is 0 volt. Because VGS is less than 2 volts, Mosfet is off. Take a look, the load is off. Now, turn the trigger on. You see, VG is 5 volts, VS is 0 volt. So VGS is 5 minus 0, we got VGS 5 volts. Because VGS is more than 4 volts, Mosfet is on. Let's apply on real circuit. I upload Blink program to Arduino. And this is Mosfet IRFU220B. This is 1 mega ohm resistor. Let's hook up the circuit. Three, 2, 1. Perfect. It works. I have applied this knowledge of Mosfet to make my motorcycle controller. I made PCB controller, simulator, program for Arduino, and also Android apps. Now, I can start the engine by touching down via my app. I'm so happy with this.
Sekarang kita coba untuk menghidupkan mesin, start engine. Mesin pun menyala. Klakson. Mantap. Oke, kita matikan lagi.
I hope this video useful for you. See you.